So I'm doing a remodeling of my powder room, my guest bathroom, and this area seems a bit bare. So I got this right here. Let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Out of the package, it has different words and different letters on it. This rope right here kind of connects everything, and I'm just gonna place it right over here. So as you can see, you can move them up and down. So this is what it looks like. Very, very nice. It goes so well with my background, and it's absolutely very beautiful. Such positive words, and looks really nice against the wall. Very, very durable and easy to take off and move to another location. So you can take it off and you can move it to another location that you want. This is the easiest installment I've ever seen. Absolutely love it.